Today we're going to look at wall mounts for the Gen 3, Gen 4 Blink cameras. You can see this is a Gen 3 camera, but these do work on Gen 3 and Gen 4. And what it's going to do, it's going to replace the included wall mount that comes with these guys. And as you can kind of see, they have not a ton of movement. You can get these articulated pretty well, but once you got this up to your building, you can see it's really close to building, and that's as far as you're going to be able to tilt it down. And sometimes you want to tilt it down just a little bit more. With these guys, you just can't do that. I'll show you the difference here. So you can see this guy right here, how long he is. And then the one that's built in, this is how far it's going to be from the building. So it's going to stick a little farther from the building, but it's going to really articulate a whole lot more. And basically how that works is you just unloosen this piece. And what you can see is you can kind of turn it all around, up, down. You can actually go backwards if you wanted to, or straight out, or pretty much, all the way down. Really, really nice. And then when you get it to the position you want it, you just tighten the nut down, and away you go. And it does come with a little mounting bracket, and this is for the camera. That's the part that goes on the back here. And if you look at the bracket that comes with it, you see it's kind of the same thing, just like that. And what you're going to do, you're just going to screw it on to this part here. Make sure you got the nut all the way down. And this nut here is going to tighten it so it doesn't move. Just screw it on, get it snug. And then when you're ready, you put your camera on here, snug this nut down, and it's going to keep it from rotating. So just snug it down. And then we're going to mount the camera. And these are a little snugged in on there, just like that. Let me get around there. There you go. And that's how that works. So really, really nice. And just when you get your camera how you like it, tighten that part, the little wing nut, and you can see how I can spin this guy. What you do is just tighten this down and he won't spin anymore. So really nice design, very simple, nice and easy. Like I said, mine is, I'm going to kind of have it pointing down like that. And actually go pretty far down with this guy if you want, just so I can see the door. And then, like I said, tighten everything down, tighten the nut, tighten the wing nut, mount it, and you're good to go. So I tell you, let's go outside. I have two cameras we're going to mount, one on the front door and one on a garage door. And you're going to see I'm going to kind of have them articulated so you can kind of see who's at the doors, which is kind of what I want. And here's the camera installed. You can see I have it right here. And I do have it pointing quite a bit down because that's kind of what I wanted. Where before, you really couldn't see down. You could see over here a little bit. But if you snuck around the side, you wouldn't see who got in the door. So that's kind of what this is going to do. Really, really nice. I'll zoom in on it so you can see it up there. And here's another one mounted. As you can see, I have it really kind of pointed straight down at the door here. So definitely makes a huge difference. Something I couldn't do before with the built-in one. And there you go. A really, really nice wall mount for the Blink Gen 3 and Gen 4 cameras. A really nice design, nice, easy install, simple to articulate, lock it down, and it stays exactly where you want. The built-in one, it can move. It's got a pretty decent friction on it, but things could bump it, the wind could hit it, it could move over time. This guy, it's not going to move. And the fact that you can get a little farther away from your wall, actually quite a farther away from the wall, gives you a lot more articulation. Like I said, if you want to point this guy straight down, loosen him up, put them down, tighten it, just like that, and there you go. You can actually point this down and forward. So this is really great, especially like I said, if you want to get to a doorway, like a garage door or your house door, where you can only see a little farther out, you want to look straight down, this is definitely the way to go. Really nice design. Check these guys out. I got already one installed, and then I got a couple more to go to replace the old ones that came with it. Just a much better design than the original one. Check them out.